Good evening, I'm Alan Schuster, a medical unit leader trainee with the Southwest Area Team 3. This evening I'd like to talk to you guys a little bit about what we're tasked with as far as the medical unit on the team. Essentially, we show up to wildland fires and other major incidents such as the Frye fire where we showed up several days ago, and are tasked with setting up a 911 system in very remote areas for our firefighters. This is a very dynamic system. It has a lot of moving parts, a lot of folks, many different agencies, many different organizations, folks working under different rules, different jurisdictions that we all have to come together to formulate a plan if one of our firefighters does get injured out on the line or sick. In this particular instance, we showed up on the Frye fire several days ago and had numerous folks being firefighters sick up on the line with strep throat. We were able to rapidly set up our system from everywhere from communications, if you were at home, like a 911 system, through our radios to get help to those folks. With that, we're also setting up units at long distances, which require a real organization, I guess you could say, between helicopters and the ground ambulances and what we need to do to get our folks out. These guys are working in really rough, steep terrain, and at times it can be very difficult to get them out. At times we're looking at 5-hour transport times to get our folks to a trauma center if they do become injured. So we've set up systems with helicopters, which has been a problem here because we're working down low at 3,000 feet here in Safford, all the way up to almost 10,000 feet on the top of the mountain. And with that, a lot of our helicopters have been getting grounded in the middle of the day due to heat. They're unable to take off. So we have a lot of dynamic parts. We've got 2 doctors on the fire, one up on top of the mountain and one down in ICP. We have several rapid extraction modules, and what those are, they help helicopters if somebody goes down off a road or something like that to get those folks to a doctor, to a hospital. Along with that, we have 4 ambulances and a total of 55 paramedics and EMTs. We have 4 medical unit leaders, and it's a very dynamic system that we need to set up very rapidly to take care of our firefighters. And so far, so good. We haven't had to use it in a bad way. Hope to keep it that way. We are the contingency plan. Thank you.